So today video I created it for you guys, for all my subscribers. So I'm gonna be teaching you on how to back up all your messages on WhatsApp, so you don't have to lose any of your messages again. Either you mistakenly uninstall your WhatsApp, or you are changing your WhatsApp from a old phone to a new phone, you don't have to lose any of your messages again. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very simple step you can take. So before we get started, so if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, this is the chance for you to subscribe. So just click on this subscribe button, and that's all. Click on the subscribe button. Now you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is well trusted. Before I post any video, I make sure I've tried it. I don't put any fake videos online, so you guys you should subscribe now if you have not subscribed. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to back up the messages. So firstly, we go to our WhatsApp. We go to our WhatsApp. So we click on this pipe button. We click on it. We go to settings. We go to chats. We go to chat backup. So now if you want to back up your messages, you can press backup. This backup message this one is only on the phone, so don't get it twisted. This one is working only on the phone. Now I've backed up on my phone, so if I uninstall WhatsApp now on my phone, if I install it back, it will still be my chat will still be there. But this Google Drive is like saving your messages inside the cloud, like you save it online. So if in case you change your phone and you want to put your WhatsApp on the new phone, you have to restore it, and this is the best thing to do it. So I do my own weekly. I put weekly, so I pick Aremo here. So we are waiting. So I back up Wi-Fi or cellular data. So if you want to include videos, you can include, but I'm not including any video. That's just the simple step for you backing up all your messages. Thank you. If you've not subscribe now. My YouTube video are well trusted. I don't give you fake videos. So thanks for watching. Love you all.